there is still a chance that we can stop the planet warming above 1.5 degrees. However, for this to happen, we need unprecedented action by all countries.
To achieve that 1.5 degree centigrade emissions, we need to fall off a cliff, falling by 15% a year, every year, starting from 2020, until we hit net zero. That is a big ask, and probably not going to happen.
Well, I think technologically it's not too late. We have the technologies to make the changes that we need, but technology isn't the only factor at play here. We also need societal changes, political changes, and economic changes. And all those systems have their own inertia and are in many ways far harder to predict than the physical climate system. So my answer has to be, I don't know. I suspect it's borderline.
I don't think I'd be doing this job if I thought it was too late to take action on climate change. And quite honestly, I teach environmental issues. I teach a lot around climate justice, and I see how enthusiastic my students are around these issues, and that really inspires me and gives me hope.
The important thing is that even if we can't limit warming to that level, every fraction of a degree above that makes a huge difference to climate impacts. So the action that we take to mitigate warming still makes a difference.
I think probably it is, but I think we need to do our best to try to limit it to 1.5 degrees. Otherwise, I'm really concerned about what's going to happen to humanity in the future.
I hope not, but we need global action now.
Temperature is almost certainly going to rise more than 1.5 degrees centigrade. However, because there is a time lag between what we do and when we start experiencing the impacts of it, so it may not be too late to avoid or limit some of the worst effects of climate change.